that? Have you ever heard a thunderstorm before? Oh, I haven't heard a thunderstorm in a long time. It sounds kind of scary, huh? Oh, I have my buddy. Do you guys have your favorite toy with you? Maybe you sleep with your favorite toy? Oh, you know, this thunder, it reminded me of a book that I just got. My friends Heather and Elizabeth, they gave me some awesome books so that I can read them here for everybody to hear. So thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you very much for sharing all your books with all these other kids. This is the book I wanted to share with you guys today. This book has a cloud in it too, and it reminded me of the thunderstorm outside. This book was given to me by Elizabeth. What Do You Do with a Problem? It's called. Written by Kobe Yamada. Illustrated by May Besum. This book doesn't have a cover on it, so you can't read it on the front, so you have to open it to see what the name is. I don't know how it happened, but one day I had a problem. I didn't want it. I didn't ask for it. I really didn't like having a problem, but it was there. Why is it here? What does it want? What do you do with a problem? I thought. I wanted to make it go away. I shooed it. I scowled at it. I tried ignoring it, but nothing worked. Oh, do you see it's a cloud, actually? That's what I mean. This book's about a cloud, like a thunderstorm outside. Do you hear it still? Let's see, look at this big cloud. I started to worry about my problem. What if it swallows me up? Oh dear. What if my problem sneaks up and gets me? Oh, is he worrying a lot? He's so scared. The cloud's getting bigger. What if it takes away all my things? That's not very nice. Oh, this is a big worry. Look at that big cloud, huh? I worried a lot. I worried about what would happen. I worried about what could happen. I worried about this and worried about that. Look how big it's getting. Oh dear. He doesn't look very happy. He's so sad. Do you get worried too sometimes? And the more I worried, the bigger my problem became. It looks like a big storm now, you see? Just like it is outside. I wished it would just disappear. I tried everything I could to hide from it. I even found ways to disguise myself, but it still found me. Oh dear, what a scary cloud. Oh, but look, it looks like he has some friends he's hiding with. And the more I avoided my problem, the more I saw it everywhere. I thought about it all the time. I didn't feel good at all. I couldn't take it anymore. This has to stop, I declared. Maybe I was making my problem bigger and scarier than it actually was. After all, my problem hadn't really swallowed me up or attacked me. Is he hurt? No, look at him. He's perfectly fine. Did the cloud hurt him? No, it was all in his head. He was just thinking about how big the cloud was, but it wasn't really there. He was making it big. I realized that I had to face it. I face it. So even though I didn't want to, even though I was really afraid, I got ready and I tackled my problem. Is he really brave? Look at him. When I got face to face with it, I discovered something. My problem wasn't what I thought it was. I discovered it had something beautiful inside. Look at the big light. I wonder what he found. My problem held an opportunity. It was an opportunity for me to learn and to grow, to be brave, to do something. It showed me that it was important to look closely because some opportunities only come once. So now I see problems differently. I'm not afraid of them anymore because I know their secret. Every problem has an opportunity for something good. You just have to look for it. Thank you guys for reading with us. Don't be scared of the storm tonight. If you're brave, if you look out there after the rain's over, there might be a rainbow, one of my favorite things. So if you guys see a rainbow, comment down below. But I'll see you next week. Stay home, stay safe, and sleep tight tonight. Oh, my kitty's over there. If you guys see my kitty, maybe I'll have him in my next video. Bye. Oh, Blueberry wants to say bye too. Bye. Good night. Sleep tight.